andu metikire kwiyumiria na thirikari ni irutite wira mwega muno wa kurehe vaccination kana janjo ya covid kuria mashinani-ini. Twitikire kwiyumiria na kuheo janjo yo nikio tukorwo tuki protect andu aitu ona matura-ini maitu.
The government effort in fighting COVID-19 pandemic through availing the vaccines to us, that we call on everyone, especially the youth, to go and get vaccinated. And the only way to do away with the pandemic is by getting vaccines and following all health protocols.